Hey everyone, welcome to How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Lloyds bank account. If you'd like to log into your Lloyds bank account using your desktop, keep watching the video till the end since we're learning how to do it. If you're not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us in the future. Open up a web browser first. In the URL box, type in www.lloydsbank.com and press enter. You'll end up at the official website for Lloyds Bank. From the official website, if you scroll up and down, if you don't have an account yet, you can click on this Register Now button and follow the on-screen prompts in order to sign up for a new online account for Lloyds Bank. If you already have an account, you can click on the Log On button at the top right corner. This will open up a pop-up menu. You can either log into your personal internet banking or your business banking. Click on either option that you'd like to work with, and soon after you do that, you'll be taken to a next page. Here, you can enter your user ID that is associated with your account. Make sure to type it in correct if you'd like to log in without any kind of a problem. Now head over to the next field where it says password and type in the password that is associated with your account. Make sure to type in the correct password. If you're not sure that you've typed in the correct password, as you can see that there are dots that won't let you see your password. This is for your own security. In this case, you can click on the show link at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. That way you'll be able to double check your password. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID so that next time you log into your account you won't have to type it in again and again, click on this box right here. But do not tick this box if you're using a public device or a shared device. Finally, after everything's typed in, click continue and you'll be logged into your Lloyds bank account online in no time. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.